Our topic is equivalent weight or equivalent mass. Equivalent weight or equivalent mass of a substance is the number of parts by mass of the given substance which combine with or displaces directly or indirectly 1.008 parts by mass of hydrogen, 8 parts by mass of oxygen, or 35.5 parts by mass of chlorine. So in simple word we can say that equivalent weight or equivalent mass of any substance is the quantity or mass of that particular substance which can combine with or displace a certain amount of another element. Okay, and that another element can be 1.008 parts by mass of hydrogen, or 8 parts by mass of oxygen, or 35.5 parts by mass of chlorine. So you can calculate equivalent mass by relating it with any of these: hydrogen, oxygen, or chlorine. For example, zinc plus H2SO4 converted into ZnSO4 plus H2. In this reaction you can see that two parts of hydrogen are displaced by 65 parts of zinc. So one part will be displaced by 65 upon 2 parts of zinc. So it will be its equivalent mass according to the definition. 2 parts by mass of hydrogen equals to 65 parts by mass of zinc. So one part will be 65 upon 2, and 65 upon 2 means 32.5. It is the equivalent mass of zinc. One more thing that you should know, that this is the number, so it does not possess any unit. Here are some formulas by using which you can easily calculate equivalent mass. So first formula is for element. If you want to calculate the equivalent mass of an element, you will use this formula. The equivalent mass of an element equals to atomic mass of element divided by valency of the element. Second is equivalent mass of a normal salt. So this is equals to formula mass of salt divided by total charge on cationic part of the salt. Cationic part means positive ions. Equivalent mass of an acid salt. It is equals to formula mass of salt divided by number of replaceable hydrogen atom. Next is equivalent mass of an acid. So equivalent mass of an acid equals to molecular mass of acid divided by basicity of the acid. What is the basicity? Basicity of the acid is the number of hydrogen ion which can be furnished by one molecule of acid. Equivalent mass of a base. So if you want to calculate equivalent mass for base, you will use this formula: molecular mass of base divided by acidity of the base. So what is acidity? Same same as basicity. Acidity is the number of OH negative ion which can be furnished by one molecule of base. So these are the formulas. Next topic is gram equivalent weight. So what is gram equivalent weight? When you write equivalent weight in gram, it will be considered gram equivalent weight. So the mass in grams of a substance numerically equal to its equivalent weight is called the gram equivalent weight, or 1 gram equivalent of that substance. For example, here I have written 36.5 gram. This is the 1 gram equivalent of HCl. Why? Because 36.5 is the equivalent weight of HCl, and I have written 36.5 in gram. So it will be considered as gram equivalent weight of HCl. You can calculate gram equivalent weight by using this formula, that number of gram equivalents equals to mass of the substance in grams divided by gram equivalent weight.